Starting with our first problem, we have log base 5 of 125. We can rewrite 125 as 5 cubed. And this 3 will come out in front. We have 3 times log base 5 of 5. Because these two are the same, this whole thing will cancel and become 1. So we have 3 times 1 is 3. So 3 is the answer. Okay, next one, log base 2 of 1 over 16. Well, 1 over 16 is the same thing as 1 over 2 to the 4th, which can be rewritten as 2 to the negative 4 power, because the negative puts the exponent to the denominator here. And so this negative 4 will come out in front. So we have negative 4 log base 2 of 2. Because, again, these are the same, that's going to be 1. So negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Okay, next one, we have log base 2 of 1 over 128. That's the same thing as log base 2 of 1 over 2 to the 7th. Now, 1 over 2 to the 7th, we can bring it up as 2 to the negative 7. The negative 7 will come out in front. And then log base 2 of 2 becomes 1. Negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. Next one is 4 times log base 9 of 3. We can rewrite 3 as 3 squared over 2. And so and then from there we can say, okay, this is 3 squared raised to the 1/2 power. The 1/2 refers to the square root. So it's like you're squaring it and square rooting it. That's going to cancel and you'll be left with 3. And so this 1/2 will come out in front. We have 4 times 1/2. Log base 9 of 3 squared, which is 9. These two are the same, so this log is going to be 1. 4 times 1/2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Alright, now we have 2 times log base 5 of 25 minus log base 4 of 16. I can rewrite 25 as 5 squared and then 16 as 4 squared. We already know that the 2 is going to come out in front here, so this part is going to cancel. That's going to be 1. And then 2 times 2 will become 4. These 4 is going to cancel. We're left with 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Log base 9 of 1/3 times log base 7 of 49. I'm going to rewrite this as 3 to the negative 1st power. And then 49 is just 7 squared. Now, the base, these two bases are not the same, so we can rewrite that as 3 squared, right? Now these are the same, but how do I get negative 1? I have to multiply this by negative 1/2, like this. And so we can keep the square, but then leave the negative 1/2 as an exponent. Now this negative 1/2 will come out in front, and 3 squared becomes 9. So 9 will cancel here, and we have negative 1/2. And then these 7s are going to cancel, we'll have 2. So everywhere we're going to multiply by 2. And at the end we have negative 1/2 times 2. That's negative 1. Alright, next we have log base x of 32 equals 5. This will be the base. This will be the exponent. So we have x to the 5th equals 32. 32 is the same thing as 2 to the 5th. We can cancel out the 5s and left with x equals 2. Our next one is log base 3 of x equals 3. This becomes the base. This is the exponent. 3 cubed equals x, which means x is equal to 27. Log base 3 of 1 over 81 equals x. We have 3 to the x equals 1 over 81. I can rewrite 81 as 3 to the fourth, and then we can bring 3 to the fourth on top and make it 3 to the negative 4. Now because the base is the same, just cancel it and get that x equals negative 4. Okay, last one. We have log base 5 of 1 over 25 equals x. That becomes 5 to the x is 1 over 25. 1 over 25 is the same thing as 1 over 5 squared. Bringing the exponent on the top, we have 5 to the negative second power. Now we can cancel out the 5's and get x equals negative 2.